Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to unbox our newly item. This is WASHWOW 3.0. If you are planning to get this one, this is it. This is for you. I-unbox natin siya and bigyan na rin natin ng a little bit review. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you very much to the WASHWOW team for making this video possible. And if you are decided to get this one, yung link na sa description lang, i-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang official store for this item. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, this is their packaging from the WASHWOW. Pinadala nila to through FedEx. And as always, kapag mag-unbox kayo, laging gumamit ng scissors. Actually, itong WASHWOW ay pang 3rd generation na nila. Meron silang before nun 1st generation, 2nd, and kaka-launch lang nila ng kanilang 3.0 version. I-open na natin siya and let's see kung ano ba yung kanyang itsura. Ito yung kanyang pinaka-box and super liit lang pala niya, as in parang 1 inch lang siya. And nakalagay siya sa color white na box and meron pa siyang plastic. And yung kanyang pinaka-box, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang logo na tuldok-tuldok, and I think yun yung itsura niya sa personal. And inside the box, meron kayong user manual. Yung kanyang user manual ay nakasulat siya in English. And meron siyang USB cord para sa inyong charging. And of course, your WASHWOW 3.0. Ayan. And dito sa likod, meron din siyang USB cord. And this one ay kakabit nyo lang this one. And this one, yung kabilang dulo ay sa inyong charger. And there you have it guys, that is our unboxing for this WASHWOW 3.0. And this is very portable. Yung kanyang weight ay only 106 grams. And yung mga features nito ay this is odor free, no need to use for detergent, sterilization, no fading, and this is eco-friendly. And pwede nyo itong gamitin sa inyong mga shirt, dresses, underwear, socks, tableware. You can also use this for feeding bottles. You can also use this for vegetable and fruits, toys, dish clothes, and many more. And as I promised, bibigyan natin siya ng a little bit review, kaya itetest natin tong WASHWOW 3.0. And para magamit natin to at ma-demo ko sa inyo, meron tayo ditong clothes. Itong clothes na to ay this is white shirt and meron siyang mancha. This is stain from the soy sauce. Dito natin siya gagamitin And kayang-kaya niya daw tong tanggalin. No need to use detergent. Ang kailangan nyo lang ay ang WASHWOW 3.0 and a water. Alright guys, again without further ado, let's do the demo of WASHWOW 3.0. This is super easy to use. All you need to do is to choose a proper waterproof container such as a bucket or a wash bin and put a water according to your clothes. And turn your WASHWOW by connecting to the power and put into the water. And each working time is 20 minutes to 30 minutes maximum. And let's fast forward natin yung kanyang procedures. And after at least 30 minutes, just rinse your clothes and it is ready to hang. And this is the output of our WASHWOW 3.0. And there you have it guys, that is our a little bit of demo of this WASHWOW 3.0. And as you can see, yung ating clothes kanina, yung merong mancha ng soy sauce ay naging malinis na siya. As in, nawala yung kanyang mancha, yung dirt nung soy sauce kanina, as in, sobrang dami ko siyang nilagay dito. And yung kanyang amoy, nawala yung smell ng soy sauce and smell like new siya. Parang bago yung inyong clothes. And hindi ko siya nilagyan ng any detergent or bleaching. Just pure water and yung ating WASHWOW 3.0. And all you need to do ay i-leave nyo lang siya ng 20 to 30 minutes and tatanggalin niya na yung mga germs and viruses, pati yung dirt ng inyong clothes. And ayun, magiging malinis na like brand new yung inyong clothes. As in, nawala yung ating mancha dito sa ating damit. Ayan. And all you need to do ay ihang nyo siya and hintayin nyo na siyang matuyo and pwede nyo na siyang gamitin. I really love the WASHWOW 3.0. Tamang-tama siya. Bukod sa portable siya, pwede siya kapag magta-travel kayo, like pupunta kayo sa mga inyong vacation, sa inyong holiday. And pang emergency, pwede siya sa inyong clothes, sa underwear, and anything na gusto nyo siyang gamitin. And hindi lang sa clothes, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin sa mga vegetable and fruits para mawala yung mga germs and mga chemicals na nandun. And pwede nyo na siyang kainin. And even sa bottle feeding, pwede siyang gamitin and many more. And pakita ko sa inyo yung before and after nung ating clothes. Ito na siya ngayon, yung after niyang malaban through WASHWOW 3.0. And i-flash natin yung kanina, yung before na meron siyang mancha. It's so amazing. And there you have it guys, that is our unboxing and a little bit review of WASHWOW 3.0. And again, kapag ka-decide na kayo bumili ng WASHWOW 3.0, yung link na sa description lang, i-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang official store for this item. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Be one of the extraordinary people, subscribe to my channel. I-ring nyo na rin yung notification bell para kapag meron tayong bagong videos like this and everything, mananotify kayo sa inyong YouTube account. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye!